Okay, so how to add face, password, fingerprint and card on the E16 and then edit or input names on them. First, you need to enroll or register them in the smart lock first. I'm gonna enter the programming mode, light up the keypad, press on hash.
Press 1. System settings, press 2. Switch language, press 3.
Manage user, press 1.
Add user, press 1. Delete user, press 2. Clear all user, press 3. Break off, press 4.
Add user, press 1.
Add administration, press 1. Add yet,
Press 2.
Add safety, press 1. Add others, press 2.
To add face, you press on 1. To add password, fingerprint or card, you press on 2. So I'm gonna take an example. I'm gonna register a card on it, so I press 2.
User ID 0 0 1.
Okay, you need to remember the user ID 001.
Password, fingerprint, card, phone, RF device.
Now I'm gonna take a card and then scan on it.
You can input continuously.
So I already done register the card. Now I'm gonna exit the programming. Just click on the star.
Add safety, add user, manage user exit.
Okay, now you go to your smart app. Go to the smart lock. Users. Okay, select the user that you wanna edit or add the card register just now. For example, I'm gonna choose this user. Click on edit. Okay, so just now I enroll card, so I'm gonna press on here, add a door card. So here you're gonna input the ID that just now it mentioned 001. So I'm gonna input 1. Okay, remember to save it. Okay, now I'm trying to unlock it by the card I registered just now.
Unlock.
Okay, we go to record. So here we'll show the user name and then unlock by card on what time?